I've never met someone quite like you. A world of dreams in all you do. From the moment I saw your smile, I knew this love would be worthwhile. Please don't leave, don't walk away. You're my night and my brightest day. You're the only one I long for, my heart's delight. In your love I found the light. No story I've known could ever compare to the bond we share beyond all care. Many crossed my path, none touched my soul, but you made my broken heart whole. With every laugh, with every glance, you showed me love, a second chance. Stay by my side, don't fade away. You're my forever, come what may. You're the only one I long for, my heart's delight. In your love I found the light. No journey I've taken could lead me here, but now I see it all so clear. If there's more to life I don't need to know. In your embrace is where I grow. Through every turn I choose just you. A love so deep, forever true. You're the only one I long for, my soul's refrain. In your love I've broken every chain. No path too far, no time too wide. Together we'll walk side by side.